What's up, MPC family? This is Masada. I want to give you guys a tip on how I get high quality audio on my streams. So here I have the iStream, right? The iRig iStream. All right, and I have it hooked up to a phone here. This phone I don't really use for anything but just streaming. And this device is powered by your phone. This works either through Android or your Apple device, tablet or whatever. So I bought this phone. Has an integrated mic in it. Here they go right here. Yeah, so you have to make sure it's the right type. Typically a gaming headphone set. Notice how the 1/4 inch jack looks. All right, so you're going to take that and you're going to plug that into here, right? And this is going to give you your headphone level. It's going to give you your mic level. You adjust it there. This is how you adjust your audio coming in. Now this, I had this going out into the back of my MPC, or sometimes I hook it up to the back of my laptop or the 1/4 inch jack of my laptop. All right, so it's very simple, very inexpensive, and this is a good way how you can get high quality audio out to the world. All right, so that's just been my tip. All right, guys, love y'all. Peace to the family.